Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nirmal from Trishur. Just want to show you another module of SalesNrich. This time we are talking about managing customer walk-ins. That is for a certain type of retailers. I know most of my partners would love to take a look at this because till now we were talking about the Salesforce automation, the salesmen who go out and meet the customers. We were managing all those field activities and all those sort of stuffs. But here the difference is customer is walking in. This is a retailer. So when I said certain type of customers, it means like this particular what do you say, the screen and this user or this customer of mine, they deal with furnitures. So similar customers like those who have a massive showroom. So furniture showrooms are like that, it's big in size. Like other similar business are like other building materials, such as marble or tiles, or you can say kitchenwares or bathroom wares, or let's say uh, other steel, or say roofing solutions, or whatever it is. So where customer walk in and they take bit of time to decide on what to purchase, like, for example, if you're buying a new home or you're building a new home, you're done with that and you want to buy furniture, so you come in, you walk into the showroom, and you'll be walking around to see different furniture that you want to buy. That you must be requiring cupboard or tables or chairs, or what else you dining tables, or uh, coat, the bed, or whatever it is. So as you enter the showroom, some salesmen will be attending you. That is this. I'll just start with it. Like this is a mobile app for the salesman who handle the customers, those who walk in. Let us say as he starts means, customer walks in. So what he'll do is he will try to capture the customer details. Like may not be directly going and asking him what is your name, where are you from, nothing else. So what he'll be doing is he'll be adding it as a new customer, and so he'll select a new customer, and then the app will prompt him like, are you with a customer? As he says yes, he'll say yes. Then this time ticks here. It started ticks here. It starts ticking here. This means the supervisor or your manager who is at the back office, I mean in the office or wherever he'll be having his mobile app. He'll be getting a notification there that there is a new customers come in, and this particular salesman is attending to him. So one thing you can notice this is in the dashboard there are some differences. You can see it's round. This means in the last walk-in, even this wish list was added, customer profile was also added. That means both these are marked as in this round. It highlights here. Whereas this particular say for this particular salesman, last customer who walked in, the customer profile was not he had created customer profile for the earlier customer, but not for the last one. So if for the last one, if customer profile is added, means this round will appear. Okay, now what happens is I'll say the customer profile, you will be entering customer name, say as you start showing him the things. So you'll be entering this customer profile, like this is his name is, say, Tony something. BBB or something, whatever it is. Then you can say customer contact number is 9999888. So, okay, he's with the family or no? Yes, whatever. Yes means yeah, if the customer is with the family, he is more likely to buy. That's what they say. Let's say there are total three of them are come. I means the customer, along with the customer, there are other two members. A reason for no sale. That is next thing. Okay, now this is done. He must be capturing all this information as the customer comes and saves it. And if he saves from here, that means he's sending it across to the to the manager. So manager can see there are total, this will go into green, and you can see there are seven walk-ins and 7 profiles are come. Wish list is not added. So there is a new profile you can see from here, and the supervisor gets an alert. There is a new profile. Added. So the manager will go and look into it, whether that profile means whether he should join that particular salesman to help him out, because this is this particular customer who's come to the showroom. He is a prominent customer, so it is better the manager also joins salesman, so that he can help him to close it. Okay, so he gets that information on this dashboard as well as on his mobile as a notification. Then again we'll come to the salesman's point. Salesman, what he does is, customer just walks in and he says that he wants he would like to purchase certain one item. Okay, I will add you would like to buy this antique Vidya, one number. I will add that. Now again one RW with artwork. There is no price given for that. I'll take something else. Okay, I'll add 2 of this, and I'll save this. This is a wish list of this customer. Then if the salesman wants to send this information across to in between, this is a partial submit. The customer is going on selecting cupboards and beds and all those stuffs. So he wants to tell us manager that this customer is really looking good. He wants to purchase more. So wish list is added here. You can see this another new wish list is added, and this information as well will go to the manager. So you can see this manager will can take a look into that detail of that wish list, and if he finds that this customer is going really good, then he might be joining this particular salesman to help him out to close that particular deal. Mostly furniture and all those these kind of materials, these kinds of products. This sale doesn't happen in one walk-in. Normally they take a quotation, then they go back and they will be discussing, and they'll be modifying on some, maybe adding something more, or some cutting out some of them, and finalizing it on a couple of visits. Okay, now he's going to close this, or he can add more into the wish list. He can again take the wish list, and let us say you'll be adding one more item. So there are total 3 items. You'll save it again. It will now this time what is going to do is he's going to complete that session. Whole session is going to be completed. So you will say that looks good. This is good. I mean, this is a prospective customer. Then you will send it across. Okay, when he tries to send it, it will again prompt you that this is you're going to send this order, and means this particular activity you're going to close it. Are you sure? Yes, means is done with that particular walk-in, particular customer. But here he has not created, so this is done. Submission is all done, so this is over. Time, everything stops. So you will now in the back office you get all this information. You can go to the detail here. At the back office they will be deciding, like, whether to create this customer, or this is he has selected this account as a new customer. Now what they will do is they will change that profile. They will create a new account. This is a new customer. Anyway, he's looking good, so he's going to purchase it. Let's say he will create a Tony BB. What information he has collected from the during that session, it will be coming here, and he'll be saving it. Okay, that means that customer will be new customer. It will change to this particular customer. And also this wish list, what they can do is they can edit this, and if any modification is there, they can do all this modification. And what if it is from suspect to prospect, or whatever, this particular lead or this inquiry, this is looking good, means they will be making it as a prospect, or what. You can set all these tags actually. Here they are dealing like for initially it is a suspect, then it is a prospect, then it is confirmed. So you'll be making it as a prospect, or if it is confirmed, you'll be making it as confirmed, and you'll be submitting it. All the confirmed orders, it can be integrated with, means it can be sent to Tally for billing, or Tally, or any other inventory, or billing system, ERP systems. It can be gone there, and all this information will be here, order, how all these orders are, your orders are looking like. There are some suspects, there are some prospects, and there are some confirmed orders. You can manage all those things. You can call them up, and call all these customers and check with them. All the suspects and all these prospects, you can call them up and follow them up, and you can change this status to the next level, whether it is confirmed or those kind of stuff. So inquiry management, customer walk-in management, all those stuff is managed here. This is for customers like who deals with building materials and furnitures and those kind of stuffs. And you get all those other reports, like whether how much time one salesman has spent with these customers, normally how much time is taken, and all those then dispatch reports, like when you are supposed to deliver the items, and all those kinds. Everything is available here. So I think this will come in use for many of you. So thank you.